nails. These small, seemingly insignificant pieces of metal have quite literally held our world together for thousands of years. From the construction of ancient monuments to the assembly of modern skyscrapers, nails have played a crucial role in human progress. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating history of this humble yet revolutionary invention. The story of nails begins long before the advent of metalworking. Our ancient ancestors recognized the need for fasteners to join materials together. Archaeological evidence suggests that as far back as 7,000 years ago, people were using bone, wood, and horn to create nail-like fasteners. These primitive nails were essentially thin, sharp objects driven into softer materials to hold them in place. The real breakthrough came with the dawn of the Bronze Age, around 3000 BCE. As humans learned to work with metal, they began crafting nails from copper and bronze. These early metal nails were far superior to their predecessors, offering greater strength and durability. However, they were still relatively soft and expensive to produce, limiting their widespread use. The Iron Age, beginning around 1200 BCE, marked a significant turning point in the history of nails. Iron, being stronger and more abundant than bronze, allowed for the production of nails that could withstand greater forces. This development revolutionized construction techniques, enabling the creation of larger and more complex structures. The Roman Empire, known for its engineering prowess, took nail production to new heights. They standardized nail sizes and shapes, creating specific types for different applications. Roman nail makers, or clavarii, became highly skilled craftsmen. The Romans also pioneered mass production techniques, setting up large-scale nail manufacturing operations to meet the demands of their vast building projects. During the Middle Ages, nail-making became a specialized craft. Blacksmiths would forge nails by hand, heating iron rods and hammering them into shape. This was a time-consuming process, making nails a valuable commodity. In fact, nails were so precious that people would sometimes burn down old buildings just to recover the nails for reuse. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries brought about dramatic changes in nail production. In 1775, the first machine for cutting nails from iron sheets was invented. This was followed by machines that could produce complete nails, from head to point, in a single operation. These innovations drastically reduced the cost of nails and increased their availability, fueling a construction boom. Today, nail manufacturing has become a highly automated process. Modern factories can produce thousands of nails per minute, in a vast array of sizes and types. We now have nails for every conceivable purpose, from tiny brad nails for delicate woodworking to massive spikes for railroad ties. Materials have also diversified, with nails now made from steel, aluminum, copper, and even specialized alloys for specific applications. As we reflect on the long history of nails, it's clear that this simple invention has had a profound impact on human civilization. From the crude bone fasteners of our distant ancestors to the precision-engineered nails of today, these humble objects have been essential in building the world we know. They've allowed us to construct shelter, create furniture, build ships, and erect monuments that have stood the test of time. The next time you see a nail, take a moment to appreciate the thousands of years of human ingenuity and progress it represents. In many ways, the history of nails is the history of human innovation itself.